Next question. Side AB and BC and median AD. Side AB, BC, median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR here. Now answer. First, BD is equal to half of BC here, because median always divide the side into two equal halves. Therefore BD is equal to half BC, and here QM is equal to half QR. Also BD is equal to DC here, and QM is equal to MR, because median always divides the side into two equal halves, since AD and PM are the medians. We have given AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM, because in the question it is given that side AB and BC and the median AB, BC and median of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ, QR and median PM of a triangle PQR. So we expressed it mathematically, that is AB by PQ. AB is proportional to PQ, BC proportional to QR and AD proportional to PM. This implies AB by PQ is equal to BC is what? BC. Multiply here both numerator and denominator as a half. So half BC by half QR, that is equal to AD by PM. That is equal to AB by PQ is equal to half of BC is what? BD. We have written here half of BC is BD, half of QR is QM. So substitute here half of BC is BD and half of QR is QM, that is equal to AD by PM here. Now in the triangle ABD and in triangle PQM, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM, because already here we have proved. Therefore, according to SSS similarity criterion, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, since corresponding angles of the similar since SSS criterion. Now angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. Why they are equal? Since corresponding angles of the similar triangle. Now in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, now consider the triangle ABC and PQR, angle ABD is equal to angle ABC or ABD is equal to angle PQR or PQM. It is also already proved. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR as SAS criterion. These two triangles are similar. Now question number 9. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Again, D is a point on the side BC. Here D is the point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC, this angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So in a triangle ADC and in triangle BAC, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. It is given, and angle ACD is equal to angle BCA. We consider these two are the common angles. Therefore, according to AA similarity criterion, triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC. Therefore, here CA by CB in a triangle ADC, CA by CB is equal to CD by CA. So cross multiply, CA into CA is CA square, that is equal to CB into CD. Now question number 10. A vertical pole of length 6 meter. One vertical pole is there which is perpendicular to the ground. Vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time another tower, there is another tower, casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Here what is given? A pole of length 6 meter is given. It casts a shadow 4 meter long. Next, AB is the tower. Its height is not given, but its shadow's length is given as 28 meter. So we have to find the height of the tower here. Let CD and AB be the height of the pole and the tower respectively. BE and DF are the length of shadow of AB and CD respectively. At the same time, the light rays here, suppose if sunlight falls on here, then the shadow is forming here. Here also, when sunlight falling on the tower, then the shadow is BE. Here will be the shadow, length of the shadow. At the same time, the light rays from the sun will fall on the tower and the pole of the same angle. Therefore, angle DCF here, angle DCF is equal to angle BAE, and angle DFC is equal to angle DAEB, corresponding angles, and angle CDF is equal to angle AB is equal to 90 degree. Why they are 90 degree? Since the tower and pole are vertical to the ground. Therefore, according to AA similarity criteria, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDF. Once the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So we have AB by CD is equal to BE by DF. That is, AB length is not given, it is the height of the tower. CD is the length of the height of the pole is given 6 meters, substitute here, and BE is the length of the shadow of the tower is 28 meter, and DF is the length of the shadow of the pole is 4 meter. Therefore, AB is equal to 28 into 6 divided by 4, which is 42 meter. Therefore, height of the tower is 42 meter.